backlog is nothing but a set of requirements that are going to define what the product is finally going to look like.
Once we have created a product backlog, it means we have defined our wish list in a prioritized order. Wish list are certain features that a person is expecting from my product. We prioritize those wish lists into a product backlog.
For creating this product backlog, there's a lot of customer interaction that goes in. And it's not only me who does it. There is a team. We call it as seed team. It consists of program manager, product manager, architect, designers, and a few technical folks.
So next thing is to divide our product backlog into release backlog. We create multiple backlogs out of it. So we plan for a release.
Architects play a very crucial role. Request for proposals from prospects, meeting prospects and visiting their site and understanding their business, and then creating a proposal for their requirement. Architects are supposed to play a techno-functional role, not just understanding technology, but also getting into the details, involved right from the requirements gathering up till the phase where an architect is responsible for developing a prototype which can be showcased and demoed to a customer's executive panel and get an approval on that.
Typically we have pool of people, so we pull people based on the technical skill set that is required, so we deploy them. If there is any niche skill that is required, we do hire for the client specifically.
The management at GlobalLogic is extremely supportive of any new people coming into the organization and giving them opportunities to grow within the organization and contribute.
So this is the library room where I'm sitting, and I was here to actually read some magazine, and seldomly I come and just read newspaper. That gives me a time for myself and break from the work thing.
As an organization, GlobalLogic focuses on creating an empowering and engaging culture for our employees through a number of unique offerings ranging from our holistic Eminence Awards program, which recognizes our employees on multifaceted parameters such as performance, excellence, contribution to various people initiatives. Another unique offering under our Rewards and Recognition program is the League of Extraordinaire. Now this is an exclusive recognition for our extraordinary sparks at GlobalLogic as well as their families.